going to model for you the first strategy you can use when you encounter a word you don't know. So this is an excerpt from a book I read recently called Suttree. It's by Cormac McCarthy, who's one of my favorite writers, but this book really confused me. There are so many words in here that I just didn't understand, and I'm showing you this because I want to teach you that adults and teachers struggle with vocabulary all the time. It may seem like your teachers know every single word, but the truth is we get super confused sometimes. So while I was reading this book, I was getting so frustrated with all the words I didn't know, and I want to show you what I mean. Okay. A hand trails over the gunwale and he lies athwart the skiff. Okay, already I am pausing there because I am confused. This word athwart, I have no idea what this means. So, well, what am I going to do? I'm going to use my first strategy, which is context clues. Okay, and as a reminder, context is all the words around the word you don't know. Okay, I'm not always going to stop at unknown words like this because they're not always important, but this one seems important and meaning broke down for me. So I have to stop and I have to figure it out. I'm going to use my first strategy, like I said, context clues, and look at all these words around it. So when I look at this sentence, it seems like this word has to do with skiff. And I know that a skiff is a type of boat. And it also says, it seems to have to do with this word lies. So it sounds like somebody is lying on a boat. Okay? So what I'm thinking is this word athwart has to do with how somebody is lying on a boat. So I'm actually going to draw a picture. Maybe that can help me. So here's the boat, and I'm trying to think how somebody's lying on this boat, and it says a hand trails over the gunwale. Now, this is a part of a boat. It's actually like the edge. So this is the gunwale, this part on the boat right here. And so a hand is trailing over it. So it seems like somebody is lying on it like this, and their hand is trailing over it. Let's say this is this guy's hand, and his feet, he's kind of like lying on the boat like this. And what this looks like is that he's lying across the skiff. So I'm going to actually say that this word athwart just means across. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to test my definition in the context. So let's see if this works. Let's see if it makes sense. A hand trails over the gunwale and he lies across the skiff. Hey, that sounds perfect to me, and my meaning broke down before, but I think I fixed it because I can picture this guy lying across the boat just like that. Okay. Now I'm going to keep going. The toe of one sneaker plucking periodic dimples in the river with the boat's slight cradling, drifting down beneath the bridge and slowly past the mud-stained stanchions. All right, I came across another word I do not know. Stanchions. What is this? Well, I am going to use strategy number 1 again, context clues. Context is all the words that are close by. So, beneath the bridge and slowly past the mud-stained stanchions. So it seems like stanchions, whatever they are, they're mud-stained, so they must be dirty. And this guy reached the stanchions when he passed beneath the bridge. So it has to do with a bridge. I'm going to say it's dirty and it's near a bridge. But you know what? It's dirty, it's near a bridge, but I still can't picture what stanchions look like. So I feel like I've exhausted strategy number 1. I need strategy number 2. Well, strategy number 2 is the online dictionary. In the next video, I'm going to show you guys how to use the online dictionary as another strategy to understand unknown words.